Welcome back. In this full guide 2026, I'll show you how to fix Krisp AI audio issues. If you're experiencing poor sound quality, choppy audio, echo, distorted voice, or no audio at all while using Krisp AI, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several proven solutions to fix the problem. Let's get started. First, check that your microphone, speakers, or headset are properly connected to your computer. If you're using USB audio devices, unplug them and reconnect them. You can also try a different USB port to rule out connection issues. Next, open Krisp AI and make sure the correct microphone and speaker are selected. If you have multiple audio devices connected, Krisp may be using the wrong one. Select the devices you actually want to use for your calls. Now open your communication app, such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, or Discord, and verify that the same Krisp audio devices are selected there as well. If your meeting app is using different input or output devices, you may experience audio problems. If the sound is distorted or delayed, restart both Krisp AI and the communication app. You should also close unnecessary programs running in the background, as heavy system usage can affect real-time audio processing. Another important step is to update Krisp AI, your operating system, and your audio drivers. Outdated software or drivers can lead to compatibility issues and poor audio performance. If your communication app has built-in audio enhancement or noise suppression features, consider disabling them while using Krisp AI. Running multiple audio processing features at the same time can sometimes create conflicts or reduce sound quality. If the issue still isn't resolved, restart your computer. As a final solution, uninstall Krisp AI completely and install the latest version from the official website. This can replace corrupted files and restore the default audio settings. And that's how to fix Krisp AI audio issues. Thanks for watching this full guide 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the